The problem is the square root. But
Mhm.
even if you don't have the calculator, you can do this. Pay attention. You know 3 and you know 4, for example.
Mhm.
Okay. But you need to do the square root of 3.5. So we need square roots. So we can do the square root in the three sides. I know square root 3 is 1.7. The square root of 2 of 4 is 2. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, our number is a number between 3 and 4. Okay.
Mhm.
So our answer também é 2.
Mhm.
Não sei qual também tem coisa aqui, eu acho que é 2. Okay. Something between 1.7 and 2. More or less 1.8, I suppose.
É
Okay.
1.87.
Yeah.
But
So if you don't have the calculator, you can do this. Okay.
okay.
So if you can do the problem and send me a photo, is
Mhm.
very cool. Okay.
Okay. But then I need to round the numbers.
You need to round because your numbers have different uh, significant figures, né?
Mhm.
But for start, you can do the sum and the division with the numbers you have. Okay,
Tá. Okay.
you already do this. Do you already do this
Yes.
sum?
Yes.
Okay, what answer?
39.7298.
Okay, and you need three significant figures.
Mhm.
So you need to stop your number here. The only thing you need to do is see the next number. The next number is less than 5. Okay?
Mhm.
So you maintain, you stay, I don't know, this 7, only this.
Ah, you keep.
You keep. Perfect.
Mhm.
You are amazing, George. Keep. But if this number is, for example, 6, you need to increase the number.
Uh-huh.
Would be 8. But if 5, né, you need to look the next number. If the next number is maior, is
Bigger.
bigger, I have problem with this kind of words. You need to increase to. It is the rule. Okay, it's a very easy rule. The three significant figures count the numbers atrás, né, behind. I don't
Behind.
know the point. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Okay.
okay, is this? Thanks. Next one. Let me see. I don't know. I take okay. Calculate the volume of a cube with side 4.82 centimeters. Write down your answer and correct two significant figures. Okay. You you remember? Do you remember the equation of a volume of a cube?
No.
It's very easy too. Volume igual a side, the length, the side,
Mhm.
to the power of 3.
Mhm.
Okay? So you just need take the 4.82 to the power of 3. Just like that.
Tá. Okay.
Easy. So after, you need worry about the two significant figures, but now you know the rules. So
Mhm.
you can try and you take a photo this time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let me see. You put this in calculator and
Yeah.
you have the 111.
Yes.
Oh, that makes
No.
sense because it's almost 5. And 5
Mhm.
to the power of 3 is 125. So makes sense. But you need to put only 2 significant figures. And
Mhm.
your number have 6. What you need to do? You don't know?
Um, but then I need to make the 111 smaller.
No, your answer is correct. But you need to use scientific notation. This is the secret. Okay?
Okay.
For example, you have 111,980. So
Mhm.
to be to be a two significant number, you need only 2 numbers. So you need uh, stop here. But how? Because how can I write a number with 2 significant numbers, but is a centene? Né? É uma centena.
Mhm.
Only with the scientific notation. You can do 1.1 times 10 to the power of 2.
Okay.
Easy.
Mhm.
When you realize, but you cannot forget the unit.
Okay.
You are speaking about a volume. So the
Mhm.
unit is cubic. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay, easy. But we need learn the scientific notation. We can speak about it in another time. I don't remember if you already learned this.
Yeah,
Do you already?
I
Yeah.
started last class of math.
Ah, okay, perfect. It's easy. It's just to count the numbers.
Mhm.
Basically, we see 3 numbers. Just you can uh, uh, take this and transform in a sentence.
Mhm.
Just times times 100. Okay,
Mhm.
wonderful. Let me see the next one. The next one is bigger. To determine whether a business is making enough profit, the following formula is used. PS minus C divided by S, where P is relative profit, S is sales, and C is costs. If a company has 340,000 worth of sales and 230,000, of course. Correct two significant figures. Calculate the maximum and the minimum relative profits to the appropriate occurrence. Okay. Worth of sales. Or else the value of S. This is the value of S. And the value of C. But they ask about the maximum and the minimum relative profit. It's strange because relative profit is P, and we have the values to put in the equation of P. I mean, this, so large these numbers. And I put the red. This divide for this. This is strange to me because is the numbers is this. We can put the zeros. 34 minus 23 divided by 34.2. We have a unique answer, not 2. This is a little strange to me. Okay? Past, correct. Worth of answers, of course. You have a only answer. Relative profits is, you can you do this count for me, please?
And 0.3235.
Okay. And you need two significant figures.
So
Significant figures is strange sentence for me. I don't know, but I will ask for the ChatGPT. How the number with two significant figures. I don't know if it is the only the total or to after the it's this kind of count. Okay, you need two significant figures, so you need cut here. Okay, so 0.32, or it's a relative, so it's a percentage, 32%. Okay, but calculate the maximum and the minimum relative profit. This is strange to me because two values, but I have one value, only 32.
I think maybe it's upper and lower bound.
Okay, upper and lower bound, but
I think, look, I think it's this.
yeah, makes sense. But why is the upper and lower bound? I don't know. Maximum and minimum relative profit is only 32. I don't know. I have problems with this, but I will ask for the ChatGPT because I am curious about this. Just a second. Don't understand this problem. Just a second. Okay.
I have the answers.
I will show the answer about ChatGPT. They say the same like me. Okay?
Look, the book says the maximum is 0.35 and minimum 0.30.
It doesn't make sense. But okay. Can you send me the problem have the step by step or only the
No,
answer?
only the answer.
This doesn't make sense. The ChatGPT say the same thing than me. So I don't know. It's a little strange. Okay. Only bem, I will think about, but I don't know. Let's the next one.
Okay.
Strange. Next, find the percentage error using percentage error. Makes sense. We are speaking about errors. I think is the problem with the anterior, the before question. Find the percentage error. Do you know do this?
Mm,
We have
you,
a equation.
you divide the error by the exact value times 100.
Yeah, something like that. Percentage error. I will chamar. I will name it P is the true value, né? True value
Mhm,
minus approximate value divided by true value.
mhm.
But to use the true value, I don't know. You can use your calculator.
Okay.
Pi minus 3.14 divided by pi. The calculator have a pi more
Mhm,
precise, né? And you need times 100.
mm. Oh, I sent you. It gives this number.
This number. This is a real um, small number because e to the power of minus 4. If you are correct, I think you are, you can write this.
I didn't do times 100 yet.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I didn't do times 100 yet.
Uh-huh. So you until not do it, but okay, no problem. I will show to you.
0.0. Okay.
100 is the same thing of 10 to the power of 2. Okay,
Mhm.
so you can just write this for now minus 2. Okay,
Mhm.
when you times for a number like this, actually you are doing a division. Okay, it's
Mhm.
the same thing you divided by 100. But it's not the problem here. Okay, it's not the problem here. The problem is the two significant figures. Don't speak about the significant figures here. So this is the error. We can write this without the scientific notation. I think is more interesting. How I times the percent, the same percent, this is a percentage, okay? So when you have to the power of -2, you can come back, voltar, don't know, trazer para trás aqui, two houses. Oi?
Bring back.
Bring back. You are amazing. So, what is happening now? Actually, because our number is negative, you bring back to from. So to do it, you need put zeros. Let's put a lot of zeros. So you can take this point and bring to here 2 times, you know, 1 time, 2 times. So you can write 0.05069%. Okay? It's small error. Here is real small error. So it's a good approximation.
Okay.
Okay. Let's the next one. Just a second. Oh my God. In 1856, Andrew Hauge announced Mount Everest to be 8,840 meters high. After several years of calculations based on observations made by the Great Trigonometry Survey. More recent surveys confirmed the highest 8,848. Calculate the percentage error made in the yearly survey. You know do this. Can you do to me?
Yes.
I will go to the bathroom. Just a second, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Did you do that?
Yes.
Amazing. What was the error?
0.0904%.
Percent. Okay. It's a real small error too,
Mm-hmm.
because it's in the 40 house. Okay? In the 40 algoritmos. Aqui, né? Na quarta casinha.
Sim.
Okay? So is need be a error
Mhm.
less than 1%, because 1% é 1%. So your error is in the for house, so 1 per mil, per 1,000. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Amazing. Let me see the next, but you send me 1, 2, and 4, not the 3. I don't know if it's
No,
the error of your teacher.
he didn't put all questions from the book.
Okay, no problem. The temperature today in Chicago is 50 Fahrenheit. Instead of using the standard conversion formula, Tommaso uses his grandmother rule. It is easier, but gives an approximate value. Subtract 32 from the value in Fahrenheit and multiply the result by 0.5. So calculate the actual and the approximate temperature in Celsius using the standard formula and Tommaso grandmother rule. Okay, I will do the Tommaso grandmother rule. You use the formula, okay?
Okay.
So 50. The rule, the grandmother is minus 32 is 18. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So multiply the result by 0.5. But you multiply 0.5, it's the same thing you divided by 2. Okay? The same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Is take the half. So 90 Celsius. It's my count. Now is
Okay.
yours. Okay?
Mm-hmm. I have 10
Sorry?
Celsius. 10 Celsius.
10 Celsius. Okay. So I will note 10 Celsius. 10 Celsius. Calculate the percentage error of the approximate temperature value in Celsius. You know, do this.
Mm-hmm.
So when you finish, you tell me the answer. I think the error will be bigger than the before. The anterior. Como é que eu falaria isso, George? Anterior, a questão anterior.
Anterior. Previous.
Previous question. Perfect. Thanks.
%10%?
10% makes sense because the real temperature is 10, and
Mm-hmm.
my temperature, the temperature of the grandmother who is 9. The error is absolute value 1. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
But 1 of 10 is 10%.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. Let me see the next. We
I
don't
have
have a
more.
next. Só isso?
Tem mais.
Okay. Just you can send me. Okay, let me see. I need to download. Okay. I need to open a new page. Okay. The angle of depression from the top of a cliff to a boat at sea is 70 degrees. The boat is 450 meters from the shore. Draw a diagram represent the situation. This look like a triangle, a right triangle.
Mhm.
Just a second, I mean, this is interesting. Okay. Draw a diagram. The angle of depression from the top of a cliff to a boat at sea. Bem, I mean, here is 70. The boat is from the shore. I don't understand this problem totally, but I think the boat is here. So this is
Shore is like where you enter in the ocean, you know, like in the sand and
okay. Yeah, sand is here too. Sand is here, I suppose. Okay.
Mhm.
Um, the angle of depression from the top of a cliff. I suppose is this. My fear is where is the angle? But here or here? But I suppose it's here. I suppose. Draw a diagram representing the situation, okay? Find the height of the cliff. The height of the cliff.
the height.
Altura, né?
Eu
Give me
acho,
your answer. Oi?
I don't think it's the because height is the straight line, I think, no?
Yeah, I don't know too.
Mm.
So, maybe my
Ah, aqui, ó.
draw is wrong. So
I
here
have
is the
the answer.
problem. Sorry?
I will send you the answer.
Uh,
It has a drawing.
okay. I suppose it's a triangle. Yeah. Yeah. I see. No, it's almost the thing I was draw, but the 400 is here. They said 17 degree, and where I write this is right. I don't know. Yeah, it's right here. Here is the 17, okay? Because here we are we know is 30 17 3 because it's a right triangle. So
Mhm.
here is a right angle or 19 degrees, okay?
Mhm.
So I just don't understand about the didn't understand about the cliff and the shore, etc. But okay,
And
we have this.
you
So
have to find the height.
for the height, but
Mhm.
the height is the opposite side of the 17 degree, okay?
Mhm.
And you have the adjacent side.
Mhm.
So you can use what trigonometry function? Do you know?
Um,
We have three: sine,
mhm.
cosine, and tangent. What you need, which you need to use?
I don't remember.
you need to remember the form of the equation. For example, tangent of an angle is opposite divided by adjacent.
Mhm.
Sin is the opposite divided by hypotenuse. And the cosine is the adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay?
Tangent.
So if you see this problem, you can note you have the shore or the adjacent side. You need the opposite side. You have the angle, of course, but you don't have the hypotenuse.
So
Okay.
tangent.
You need to use tangent because you don't have the hypotenuse. Can you find the value to me, please?
Mhm. I think it's wrong.
I think your answer is wrong.
I think my answer
Why?
is wrong.
Can you send me your calculate? Your cálculo? Como é que eu poderia falar isso? Your
My-
calculation?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Tangent 17 equals x divided by. Okay. What's the problem? Let me see. Tangent 17 is 3.5. I don't know. This seems strange to me. Let me see. I think your calculator is in another unit. You need to put in degree.
How I do this?
Did you see? 0.3. Okay.
Okay.
You need
How
to
do I?
put in degree. Your calculator is in radians, I suppose.
Yeah, I don't know how to do.
You don't know how you can do this. I can do it to you, but I need a photo of your calculator. Okay.
Okay. I don't
If
know.
you can, if you want, you can send the photo. But your
Yeah.
calculator is very sophisticated. I don't know if I know how change, but
It's
have
because
of
I
course have
need.
a. Sorry.
It's because I need like a specific kind for the exam.
Oh,
For
okay.
It's because I don't know
But,
what I can
but I
do.
think it's easy to change, okay? And you can do it in your exam too.
É que eu buguei aqui, não sei.
I don't know.
É que, eu vou ser, mas
After you send me the photo and I
Okay.
help you.
I click something and now I don't know how to exit.
Okay, let me see. Oh, you send. Yeah. My calculator is similar to yours. It's not so sophisticated. It's a Casio too. I don't know. Perhaps it's not in this menu.
I don't know how, eu não sei sair do menu.
Just clicking exit or in
Doesn't
menu
work.
again.
Doesn't work.
I will search this file. But it is in some place you will see DAG and grad and HAD. You need to choose the DAG.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So let me see. Just a second. I will take the next one. I need to open your file. Okay. One again. No, we can do the moon problem. So cute. Scientists measure the depth of a lunar crater by measure of length of the shadow cast by the edge of the crater using photos. In a photograph, the length of the shadow cast by the edge of the Mook crater is about 606 meters, given to the nearest meter. The sum angle of elevation is 65 degrees. Find the depth of the crater, giving your answer rounded. Yeah, we need to draw again. Okay, so we have a shadow, and we have the light. I suppose this is the light.
Mhm.
You have the height of the crater. Okay, the sun angle. I suppose the sun angle they said is here. Here is 65. Okay.
Mhm.
The length of the shadow cast is 606 meters. And you want this. So again, it's the same problem. Okay. Tangent again. But you need fix your calculator. Or you can use the Google.
Yeah.
Or you can convert this number to radians, but I don't think it's a good idea. It's
Yeah.
better you fix your calculator, okay?
Mhm.
So when you do this, just tell me. You can use the Google to calculate the tangent of 65, okay?
Mhm. In degrees.
In degrees.
Yeah.
65 in degrees.
It's 2.14. The tangent.
Tangent of 65 is how much?
2.14.
I don't know. Let me see. I really don't know, but I think you are right. My calculator. Okay. 65 tangent 2.1.
What? Ah, yeah, 2.1 for.
Yeah. This is the tangent, but you need the high. É high que te fala? So 606 plus times 2.1. We can do more or less 1,300. Okay,
Mhm.
but we need a correct giving your answer rounded to the nearest meter. I suppose is this. Okay,
Mhm.
because it's so proximate. Oh, if you rounded, you need look the next number. The next number is 5, so you need look the next is 7. So you need increase 1. So increase, so 1,300. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My brain is explode because the English. I am very bad in English. But
No.
you are a girl so patient, so cool. Thanks. This one. Determine the length of each arc with a radius r and central angle alpha given below. Given below, but okay. This. We can do just one. Determine the length of each arc. So we have a circle. I can draw the circle. And this circle have a radius is 5 centimeters. And this this arc have an angle,
Mhm.
alpha angle. So we can draw another radius. I don't know, maybe for here. And this angle have 70 degrees. So the problem want to know this length. Okay.
Okay.
We usually call this of a sector. This is a sector. Okay. What is the sector? We have an equation for this. It's similar to the equation of the perimeter of circle. The perimeter of circle, the equation is 2 pi r. Okay. You, I suppose you know this equation. But what is 2 pi? 2 pi is because we have a entire volta, entire lap, I don't know,
Turn.
entire giro, entire... como é que eu falo isso?
An entire turn.
Turn. Perfect. Entire turn in degree, in radians, is 2 pi. Okay? Presents 360 is 2 pi.
Mhm.
But we don't want 2 pi for this problem. We want only 70 degrees. Okay?
Mhm.
So, to the sector, we change the 2 pi for 70 degrees. But we need convert 70 degrees to radians. Okay? Because here we have radians. So here we need radians too.
Mhm.
How can I convert degrees to radians? Only regra de três, rule of three, okay? You need to know pi in degree is 180, okay?
Okay.
You want 70. So we put 70 here. And here we put the 70 in radians. I need you to know. So we can do the three rule, regra de três, rule of three. So we can do the math, just it. Okay?
Okay.
70 or
The name in
sorry,
English is cross multiplication.
cross multiplication. I ever say this and now I
I think.
forget.
Yeah.
But okay, thanks. Cut. So, and radians, 70 degree is 7 pi divided by 18. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, we can take this equation and we can erase this and put this. It just now you need just change the R, né? Change the R.
Mhm.
R is 5. 7 pi 5 18. So now you can do this calculation for me, okay? But
Okay.
you need substitute pi by 3.14, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And pay attention with the como é que é? The figures, como é que é? Significant figures,
Uh-huh.
okay?
Uh-huh. It's 6.105.
6.105. 6.105. But you need two significant figures.
Mm-hmm.
So 6.1. Don't forget the unit, centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because we are search for a length. So centimeters.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
This class was amazing for me because I learned more than you. Alguma dúvida?
Não, só que eu tenho uma prova de matemática quarta e outra sexta. E dá pra gente fazer mais uma aula antes?
Of course, I will send my schedule to you. So
Aham.
just choose your horários,
Ok.
and I put your. But when your your exam Wednesday and Friday.
Yeah, because like the first questions I send you are for one exam on Wednesday, and then these that we are doing now are for Friday.
Okay, we can do a class and Monday, another Thursday. Or
Mhm.
two Thursday because my Monday is a little busy, but we can do you choose
Tá
the
bom.
schedule of you
And
want,
the
okay?
color matters?
Yeah, but no, you cannot choose the blue ones, just the yellow
It's
and
it's
white.
because my school ends 3:30.
3:30.
Uh-huh.
It's a problem to us. But okay. But okay, you Thursday we can do 5 p.m., okay?
Okay, there won't be the person.
5 p.m. No,
It has Thursday.
Thursday, yeah.
Yeah, there is a name on 5.
Você não pode às 5?
Não, mas tem uma menina 5 escrito.
Eu te mandei o horário certo, será?
Quinta às
Não,
5.
terça, eu tava pensando.
Terça. Terça às 5, tá bom?
Você não pode às 3, né?
Não.
Tá, então vai ser às 5.
Tá.
E. Vamos segunda também, né? Às 5. Já que eu tô gente boa
Não,
hoje.
desculpa, terça eu não posso.
Não
Pode ser
pode nem às
segunda.
5?
Amanhã, segunda às 5 eu posso, terça não, que eu tenho coisa depois da escola.
Tá, então tu não pode terça at all.
Não. Posso segunda, eu
E
posso
quinta?
quarta.
Quarta tu não pode?
Quarta eu posso.
Ou melhor, falei besteira. Quinta à tarde tu não pode, né?
Quinta. Quinta eu posso.
Quinta 1 da tarde tu pode?
Ah, não, não, não posso.
Tá,
Quinta
então
de
vamos quarta. Vamos quarta também às 5, tá bom?
Tá, segunda e quarta, 5.
É, porque na quinta pra mim já ficaria muito tarde, tá? Seria 11 da
Uhum.
noite já e seria a quinta aula seguida. Seria
Uhum.
complicado. Mas se por acaso tu puder na terça, me fala, tá bom?
Tá bom.
Então tá bom. Então vai ser, por enquanto, segunda e quarta às 5. Tchau.